Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, that is Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Come on, okay, I am Sridevi Kanke of SST teacher, grade 4. In the previous class we have studied, that is lesson number 4. What we have studied, tell me student? Yes, that is Northern Plains. Okay, now before going to start and everything, just we will do some warm up. Okay, just come on, just I will ask you some riddles, okay, like a quiz type question, easy I will ask you. Are you able to tell me? Yes, just I will tell you some clue I will give you, just you are going to identify what are those. Are you all ready for it? Yes, very good. So I will ask you one question, like it is an animal having 4 legs and a tail. Okay, can you all tell me which guards our house? Okay, teacher is telling 4 legs, everyone is having, yes, cat, everything it is there, but which guards our house? Means thief will come, it will bark, yes, are you identifying? Yes, correct, your guessing is correct, that is dog. Very good. So one more question shall I ask you all? Yes, that is what do you say? It is there is no legs for it. Okay, there is no legs. It will crawl on the land. It will crawl on the land. And what it is? Can you all tell me? Yes, our Hindus they will pray for God also. Yes, correct. That is snake. Snake doesn't have any legs. Correct. You are all telling me. Now one more question shall I ask you all? Okay, an animal is it is also 4 legs are there, a hump will be on that. So what is this? And that it can live for so many days without drinking water also. Okay, can you all tell me that? Yes, it is, you all know it. Yes, hump on that its body, it will be like a hump on it, and without food and without water it can live for several days. It is a hint for you all. Can you all tell me that? Yes, very good, that is a camel. Yes, so today what we are going to discuss is that camel. You all know which is the ship of the desert? Yes, camel, correct. So our lesson is also, we are going to study about the lesson number 5, that is the Great Indian Desert. Okay, come on, shall we go further? Yes, definitely. Now our lesson number is lesson number 5, the Great Indian Desert. You all see this desert. When I say this desert, you all know first picture will come on you, camel. Yes, so the Great Indian Desert. Can you all see this camel the people are wearing? See this also, a man is leading his camel over the sand dunes in the Thar desert. Okay, this is a desert, where a desert is a lot of sand will be there. Yes, it is a dry and a hot place. Okay, now where is the location of it? We are talking about the desert, correct? Where it is, can you all tell? Okay, this is our India map, where it is here, this side we have a 4 directions, isn't it? Yes, now north, south, east and west. So this side it will be having a, can you see this red color? Correct, this is whole part of Rajasthan. Okay, this Rajasthan is a hot place, okay, dry desert. This we having this sides in this Pakistan neighbor place, and here Punjab, Haryana. Okay, now this is where it is, here it is located here. All we are going to study here. Now what we are going to learn in this lesson? Okay, let us learn about its location. Yes, first of all we have learned location, correct. Now climate, going to now further climate, vegetation and landforms. Okay, now what else we are going to learn in this? Its people, their dress, okay, language and festivals. Okay, the next what else we are going to learn in this? The role of tourism, in the Thar desert. Now what else? Now first point we are going to do it. Now where it is location? To the west. Just now I have said you that to the west side of the northern plains lies the great Indian desert. Yes, just now I said you all we have a 4 directions. Yes, this is the west side we are having great Indian desert, or we can say it is as Thar desert. Now it is about how much? It is about how much? It is about 800 kilometers long. This much. How much long it is? 800 kilometers long and 500 kilometers wide. Okay. Now the land here is partly, yes, when we are talking about the land, okay, it is fertile? No, of course not, because there is no rivers, nothing. So what happens? The land will be a sandy, it's rocky and partly sandy. Half will be a sandy, half will be a rocky. Now it covers what it else covers? Part of Rajasthan. Okay, it covers a major part of West Rajasthan. It covers a whole part, okay, of Rajasthan. Now come to the point of to the northeast. To the northeast of the Thar desert is the Satluj river basin. So here northeast side, what it is here, we having a Satluj river basin. Okay. Now to the south of that part, okay, is a salt marsh. Okay, it is a, the land is like salty. Okay, salt marsh known as Rann of Kutch. Okay, where the south is part, okay, downside, when we go here, it is a salt marsh known as Rann of Kutch. Rann of Kutch. Next, to the south, we have studied, okay, northeast, okay. Now come to the point here, to the south east is the Aravalli range of hills. Okay, where is, now you will tell me where is south here? Down part, exactly. Now where is east side? This side. When we have a 4 directions here, north, south, east, west. So when we are talking about the south, down part to the east side, here near the Rajasthan only, here where it is, we having a Aravalli range of hills. Aravalli range of hills. Now the next part what we having, the desert extends, it is full of extends in west into Pakistan till the Indus river basin. How much it is? It is extend from the west into the Pakistan till the Indus river basin. Now come to the point of, we have studied about the, okay, now location is over. Now climate. Now how is the climate when we say the desert? Okay, how is the climate condition over there? It is very hot, you all know it. How? Due to winter also it is hot, summer also hot, and how we can just now study. In the desert, climate is extreme. Yes, it is very hot. During the summer, when the season changes, during the summer also the days are hot, too much hot, okay, and dry. Because now I will give an example like that. Now we are living here, it is not a desert, okay, but when we in summer, as in summer comes, how you feel like, oh, it is very hot, even fan also, so that you are going to suffocate, correct? But see here in desert, in Rajasthan, Thar desert, in summer also how the people were living, it is too much hot and it is dry places, all sand will be there. As the sun sets, as the sun goes, it will go, set means it will go, it becomes cooler. Yes, exactly. When in the morning it will be day, at night it will be cool. As it is in the same here also, when the sun goes, at night begins, that time the temperature will be cooler, it will be cool. Now this is because, why? This is because the sand heats up quickly. Okay, when a sun is there, when the sun rays will come on the sand, so it will be heats, it too much heats up quickly in the day and cools down. It cools down in the day, cools down fast at night. Okay, in day what happens? It heats up. In the day it heats up and cools down at night. Okay, in winter we have talked about the summer. Okay, now when it comes in winter part, in winter the days are pleasant. Yes, when winter, what happens in our places, what happens when winter comes? What you will do? You wear sweaters, coolers, etc. Correct? You wear sweater na, and you take hotter things to eat. Correct? Now, what happens here in winter in desert places? The days are very pleasant, but the nights become very cold. As in a night will come, that time cold will be there, because the always windy will be there. Okay. Now, can you see this and tell me? Yes, exactly, this is a land. But how can you see this cracks all? How did your crack? Do you see this? Yes, the land is dry. There is no water. Yes, when a water will there on the land become very fertile and it will be wet. See, there is no rain, no water. It is a dry place. Now, when we were talking about the vegetation, what is this? There is very little rainfall. Yes, in Rajasthan we don't have a rainfall. Very little, rarely will get in the desert. Not many plants grow. Yes, of course, if rain is there, then only they will get farming. Exactly. But here in Rajasthan there is no rain. So what happens? Plants will grow? No. For example, also at home you bought in a pot of a small plant. Yes, a rose plant or your favorite any one of the plant. You brought it at home. If you daily you will give water to the plant, it will grow and it will give nice flowers. Correct? Exactly. But here see, there is plants, how can will grow? There is no water, there is nothing, rain is there. Yes, it's not many plants grow due to water is very necessary. Yes, for us how it is, food is necessary to live, water is also necessary for life also, plants also need water. Here desert there is no water, very little water, because of sandy soil, because of sand, the land will be all sand will be there, and lack of water, there is no water. We can see few scattered, we can see very fewly, scattered means here, this side, we can see scattered bushes and thorny shrubs are there. We can see when we talk about the desert, okay, what plants can you see over there? Can you tell me one plant name? Yes, correct, that is what? What you are all telling me? Come on. Yes, thorny bushes will be there, that cactus plant, correct, cactus plant. Okay, there are a few streams are there, okay, which fill up on when there is rain. Whenever the rain will come, that time a few places like dug will be there, the land, there only a few streams will be full of water. Okay, there is a severe shortage of drinking water. Yes, there is no drinking water. We have a very shortage of water for the people who live there. In Rajasthan or in desert places where the people live, they are having a shortage of water to drink. Now this is a thorny plant. Okay, see, thorn means what? We having a when you hold up when a rose plant flower, it looks very nicely, beautiful flower, but down when you try to pluck that from a plant, what do you say? You will something you say na, what, we have a thorns on that plant. Correct. See these thorns. Okay, this is a thorny plant. So this is a bushes are there, very scattered, we can see, so not less, here some are there some are there. Okay, scattered bushes are there, few bushes in Rajasthan. See, can you see here? This is the place. How can you look here on this image? The place is dry. Now, when we talk about the landforms, what are they? As the land is dry, you all know, there is no water, the land is dry and there is very little vegetation. There is very little vegetation. Due to that, soil erosion due to wind occurs. What happens when a soil erosion comes? Due to wind occurs. There is no plants are there, correct? There is no plants, only always wind will there, sir. The all soil will be go away, flow with that wind. So what happens? What happens there? Soil erosion will be occurred here. The desert has many small hills. Now come to the point here. The desert has many small hills of sand. Now what teacher is telling hills here? Yes, hills is not mountain hills here. The hills are the sand hills are there. Okay, when the sand is there, okay, when a wind comes, it flows very fastly, correct? With that wind, what will flow? Exactly, dust, sand, exactly, correct. That wind will flow. As when wind stops, what will happen? It will fall down, correct? So whatever it will pull down here, that will form in the shape of a hill only. So those are sand hills of sand called sand dunes. We can call it as a sand dunes. Okay. Now sand dunes, you have understood what is sand dunes. The sand dunes are formed. How the sand dunes are formed here? The sand dunes are formed when sand starts. When sand starts spilling around any barrier that block means that stops the sand laden desert wind. Okay, the sand dunes, how they are formed? As it starts spilling from one place to another place, as a barrier is formed that blocks the sand laden due to the desert wind. Now these dunes do not remain at one place. Yes. Now if for example, I can give you all one rock is there. Okay, one or small rock is there. If you throw here, so what happen? It will move from one place to another place? No, it is a solid. It will be sit at one place only. Exactly, like that only. But when a paper, okay, when a paper or what do you say, a sheet of a paper, when we flow in the air, it will flow with the wind. What happen? If the paper will stand at one place? No, of course it will flow with that wind. Exactly, when a wind stops, what happened? It will also fell down. It will, the sand also, the soil also, these dunes do not remain at one place. At home also, when a severe wind will come, okay, wind blows extremely fastly, what will happen? Everything on the road, it will fly away. Yes, the dust on the road, soil and everything, correct? Exactly, like that also. The strong winds of the desert keep moving. Yes, the desert keep moving the dunes from one place to another. Yes, it keep on moving one place to another. The hot winds carry a lot of sand. Hot winds carry a lot of sand with them and severe sandstorms will be. Okay, now I am telling teacher, sandstorm I am telling you. What is sandstorm here? Correct? Sandstorm is nothing but, as you have heard, that river will flow, it is heavy water. Yes, correct? Like that. What is sandstorm? In sand, desert or sandy place, is it correct? Sand dunes are there. When wind blow, what happens? All the sand will flow, correct? It will move with that. It will form a sand dunes, one place to one. It will never stop. Okay, now I will show in a picture that you will get an idea here. Now can you see this hill type like this? Triangle, up, down, up, down. Can you see this, children, here? Look at this picture. Yes, these are sand dunes. See, up, down. This is a triangular face. Can you see here? Come on, hills like that. Come on, hills are there like this only. Now, this is also one of the sand dunes. When wind is blowing here, can you see this? Yellowish color. Can you see children here? When wind is blowing here, with that what is going along with it? Sand is going. Yes, exactly. See, I am talking about the sand storm here. See, when a wind full pressure full it is coming, it or like it is coming. See here. Now oasis. Now what is oasis here? A part. See all around. Can you see here sand dunes here, all over desert part? Only a small part is here having a water here. Can you see this? This is called oasis. Okay. Where there are some places in the desert where underground water comes. Underground water will comes up to the surface in the form of spring. The date palms, kikar and bubble trees and grasses grow in the area. Now, see this, when I am saying here, in the last picture, what you have seen here, can you see this all desert here? See, here water is there. See, nearby water some plants are there. Can you see here? Correct. Plants are growing. Can the plants are growing here? No, because plants need water. Correct? Exactly. But here where water is there, only nearby grass is growing here. Some trees are grown. Okay. Date palms. Okay. What is date here? We can say date palm means khajur you eat at home, no? Yes. Dates, kikar and bubble tree. These are trees are there and some grasses are grow in the area. These areas, which type of trees are grown here? Date palms, kikar and bubble trees. These are the three trees are there which are grown in the areas. Okay. Now, such an area, yes, where these trees will grow, that such an area in the desert with water and greenery. Where green water is there always will be a green color, correct? Greenery is called an oasis. Yes, just now we have studied. This is called an oasis. Okay, nearby this where water is here, grassery, greenery and then kikar, bubble tree, date palms are grown. Okay, this is called an oasis. Now, teacher is telling date palm. See this. This is a date palm. Now, this is a tree which is kikar tree. Now, which tree is this? Can you see and tell me? Yes, most of the students are going to tell me. Yes, see, yes. Bubble tree. B-A-B-U-L. Bubble. Okay. Bubble tree is there. Now, we have studied climate, vegetation, location, correct? Now come to the point of life. Life in the desert. Now, how the desert, teacher is telling the desert there is no water, there is no rainfall. How the people are going to live? Okay. Now, the people are going to live. Let us see here. Life in the desert areas. Life, how the people life will be there in the desert area of Rajasthan is very hard. Yes. Can you imagine that? Can we live without water, food? Yes? No, not possible only. Okay, because it is very necessary for us. There is no shortage of water. How the people are living? It is very hard. Okay, due to, yes, of course, due to shortage of water and the dry sandy soil. If the land is fertile, then only the Rajasthan people where they can do the occupation of farming. But there is the land is also sandy only. How can they will do? Yes, of course they can live. We are going to study next. Here as few crops can be grown. Where sometimes the rain will come, that time what happens? A few crops can be grown. Okay. Many people's rear camels. What type of they will do? Yes. What type? What they will do occupation? There is less is there. But they can do one thing. They will rear camels. Yes. Camels rear and cattle such as sheep and goat. What is rear? Rear means where the camels will be there, sheep of a lot of camels, a lot of goats are there, a lot of cattle are there, they can rear for them. Now this is cattle rearing. Cattle rearing. See, can you see here? Sheep. Can you see a lot of sheep are there, correct? These are. They can do this type of occupation over there. Okay. Now goats are there. Can you see these goats? Yes. Now camel. These are they can do. Now come to the point of population. Okay. Now population, what is it? There is you can imagine that in desert very hard to live. So can you tell me a thick populated will be there or the less populated? Yes, very less people can be there. The population in the desert area is small. Okay, there is less people are there. Most villages in desert come up around places where water is available. What happened? There is no place. What do you do? Now what happened here? There is shortage of water, there is no work. Example I am giving you. What you will do? There water is there, we will go for it. Exactly, correct. Like that only this desert, in desert areas also where nothing is there is hard to live. What they will do? They will leave that place and they will go to other place where the water is available, where food is available, where work is available. They will go there and they will earn. Correct? Exactly. Like that here, the most villages in desert come up around the places where water is available. Water is very necessary. Water is there, the people will go there. As a result of the shortage of food for themselves and their cattle, many people keep moving. Yes, many people keep moving from one place to another place. They are called what? Just now I said that if we are there, but what about the animals? Cattle rearing is there, sheep rearing is there, correct? What they will do? They also need water, correct? They also need grass, something. But there is no water, there is no grass. What they will do? They will move, exactly. If not, they will die. So what the people do for to live? They will move one place to another place. Okay. What those people called? They are the nomads of the Thar desert. They are called Banjaras or nomad peoples. Okay. Now nomads of the Thar desert are called Banjaras. Okay. Now I am going to tell you that these are the people. Okay. One place to another place they are moving. Exactly. Correct. So what they do? They are called Banjaras. Okay, Banjara people, can you heard this word? Yes, nomad people, they are called. There are very few cities, desert are called Banjaras. Just now I explained you all. There are very few cities are there. There are very few cities in the desert region. What are they? Only few deserts are. Jaisalmer, Jodhpur and Bikaner are some important cities. In Rajasthan, some of the important cities are there. They are Jaisalmer, Jodhpur and Bikaner. Okay. Now, just we will recall that what we have studied or what we have discussed. Correct? Yes. Can you tell me, students, now which is the ship of the desert? Yes, correct. That is camel. Very good. Desert, how the people are there? There is heavy rainfall will be there? Correct. No, there is no rainfall. Correct. Now, what how the people will do? They can we do their occupation like farming they can do? No, very few are there. What they can do is cattle rearing, correct, and what else? Goat, sheep, camel rearing. Yes, very good. Also, what I just now I have explained you, those people they move one place to another place. What are they called? They called as nomads or Banjara people. Correct. Very good. So, dear children, just underline the words in the lesson, just read the lesson and try to solve the questions of fill in the blanks, MCQs or true or false, whatever. In that exercise, complete the exercise within textbook only. In textbook only you complete it. Okay, you are going to do it. And whatever the new words are there, just underline it and try to write in rough book. Okay, thank you.